Hello, you are welcome to Everything Foodie. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this creamy strawberry ice cream without no creamy, no whipping creamy, no sugar, no nothing. Keep watching. And here we've got 450 grams of strawberry. You have to clean it, make sure everything is clean. Okay. Then you cut them to small pieces. Okay, make sure you cut them to small as possible. Okay, as small as you can. Then when you're done cutting it, you transfer it to a zip bag. Okay. Here we've got two ripe bananas and we are going to peel it and cut it into small pieces, then transfer it to a zip bag. Then we will take it to the freezer and it will stay in the freezer for like 12 hours to 20 hours. Okay, mine stayed for 14 hours. And after that, I brought it out and I left it, to the room temperature for 20 minutes. And after that, you take it to the blender. Okay, you add the banana, the strawberry. Okay, and 2 tablespoons of lemon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then we will blend. Okay, I will not take it to my blender, and if you watch closely you can see I put it to the block side. Okay, for the blender to receive it as a block, and it will be breaking it because it still has some eyes. It still has some, it's like ice block as at this point. Okay, using my spoon, or turning stick to help it to, to break the ice, to crush the ice. That's the better word. And when it's done crushing it, I now change the mode to smoothie mode. Okay, so that the blender can now blend it, so that it will be very smooth as smooth as possible. Okay. And here you guys can see how creamy this is. Very creamy. Oh my god, this is exactly how I enjoy it, and it's ready to serve. Very easy, right? And here you've got your healthy strawberry and banana ice cream. Okay, eating healthy this summer is very important, and you guys can enjoy this with your family and everyone. Make sure you subscribe if you've not done that already. And guys, this is so tasty, so delicious, looking so beautiful. And when you try this recipe, don't forget to send me your videos and pictures in my Instagram at everything_foodie1. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.